Hi everyone, how's it going? It's Agnieszka from 5 Minute Language. I hope you're having an amazing day. I just wanted to say to start this video that I haven't forgotten about my YouTube channel. I haven't been as active in the last couple of weeks, and that's because I've been focusing a lot of energy on doing something else, and that something else is basically learning computer programming. So I'm learning JavaScript at the moment. I'm doing a course and it's taking quite a bit of my time, and that's why I haven't been able to upload as many videos as previously. But I want to reassure you that I'm definitely going to be uploading videos in the next few weeks. So let me know in the comments below what kind of things you would like me to talk about in relation to language learning. Any kind of questions that you have, just put them in the comments. I will find it really useful. So today's video is about how to think in a foreign language, and it's something that comes up a lot in my conversations with people. I know it's something that many of you are kind of curious about because it's a topic that comes up a lot in various kind of conversations and forums and on social media. So this is quite a similar question to one that I've answered in a previous video, which was about how to stop translating in your head when speaking a foreign language. And I'm going to link this video in this video, so make sure you check it out as well. I'm also going to add a link in the description box below. But basically, thinking in another language is something that you get to as you develop your fluency, as you become more advanced. And it doesn't mean that you can only do it when you get fluent. It is something that you need to be practicing constantly as you learn the language that you're learning. So my biggest tip I'm going to give you today is a technique that I call visualization. It's not actually something I came up with. Visualization is a technique that is used in many different disciplines, and it's particularly useful for learning because it helps you create images in your head that you then associate with the meaning of the words that you're learning. So, for example, you're trying to learn the word for purple in another language. So when you think about the concept of purple, have a think about it. I, for example, have got a laptop case which is purple, and this is the image that I'm going to put in my mind when I'm learning the word for purple. So I'm going to, think about the word and at the same time close my eyes, create a mental image of my laptop case, which is purple. So instead of thinking about the word purple in my native language, I'm going to think about the word in my target language, and I'm going to create a mental image of that meaning in my head. So this is one of the most important steps in my experience when it comes to thinking in another language. When you do this exercise, when you visualize the meaning of the word that you're learning or the phrase that you're learning, you basically eliminate that step when you have to translate it in your head. So you kind of solidify it in your mind by creating images. And then when you need that word in a conversation, you will have that image in your head rather than having words. So what I'm trying to say is that thinking in another language is not necessarily about actually having foreign words in your head, but it's more about having images. So using images rather than words when you think. I know it's quite an abstract concept, but try the visualization technique and let me know how you get on. The other important thing is basically something I've already mentioned in my video about translating or not translating in your head, which is to use a monolingual dictionary whenever you try to learn a new word or a new phrase. Look up the meaning in a monolingual dictionary, look at examples of sentences and memorize the word that way instead of translating it into your native language. And that way you're again going to create some mental reminders of what that word means, but in your target language. So these are the main 2 tips I've got for you. I hope you enjoyed them and found them useful. Let me know in the comments below if you liked the video, if you liked the tips. I'll see you next time. Bye.